So here I prepared a short example for you, a script that show us the operating system the user is using, the Windows or the Mac. So if I click on the show OS button, that it will show me the current operating system logo and also its name. If I click on the show OS, then it will be showing that logo of the Windows and also the text according to the operating system. And if the in the window here you can see the empty area, it's the Mac logo. If the user is using the Mac operating system, then the logo is here in the empty area, and also the button text is equal to or showing the Mac, and rename the button as the Mac. So here we are taking a look of the script code. In the first, we are defining the palette window and set the orientation to the column, and also the logos group, the Windows and the Mac logo, these two logos should be in a group. And also we are defining the window logo's visibility to false, like it's not showing, and we can trigger this by clicking on the button. And also in the function we have defined that the operating system lines that can return the current operating system. If it's Mac, then it returns the Mac, and if it's the user is using the or Windows, it will return the Windows. And in this if else statement, if the user is using the Mac, then run these lines of codes inside the Mac braces. If it's using the Mac, then run these lines of code, and if it's not using the Mac or using the Windows, then run the else statement lines here. And here I have prepared a short template for you that you can add your two logos, and we are using the logo as a binary images, so we have to convert first the images into the binary code, and that code we are pasting in this script and add our logo in this group. So we are using the script UI builder for getting the binary addresses of for these two logos, Windows and the Mac. First of all, copy this address, the group variable name, and go to the script UI builder. And the dialog custom name should be this group variable name. Then we are adding this image, and the first image name custom name should be the Win logo. And click on the choose file and select your window logo. Select your window logo, and it will update in this script UI builder, as you can see. And now we have to add the Mac logo same as this process we done for the window logo. Add another blank image and rename as the Mac logo, and choose the file of the Mac logo and open it. So the logo is updated, and we need to get the binary code of these two by exporting these two buttons. And just you need to click on this export button on the right top, and we need to copy just these two lines, the Win logo of the image string, the binary value, and also the Mac logo. So we need to copy these two lines, copy and paste it into your extended script here in the OS icon group below. And as you can see, the name of this window logo and Mac logo is adding into this group because we have put this variable name into our script UI custom name dialog box. So we need to remove this line because we don't need this line. We need to first assign the if else statement, and if its user is using Mac, then what elements should be visible. First we need to just the visibility should be false because we can trigger these two logos visibility by the button. So take the variable name of your Mac and window logo and set the visibility to false by Mac logo.visible is equal to false colon. Copies these two lines and paste in this if statement here. So if the user is equal to using the Mac, then the Windows logo should be visibility is equal to false and the Mac logo visibility is equal to true. And in the else statement, if it's running on the Windows, then window logo is visibility is equal to true and the Mac logo's visibility is false. And also we need this button dot text is equal to show OS line to change the text of the button when it's Mac. Then we need to change this to as a Mac. And if it's using the window, then the button text is Windows, and by default it's showing the show OS. When we click it, then it will. So let me just change the target application to After Effects 2020, yes, because it's open in my machine, and just press F5 to execute the script on the extended script. And here you can see I have loaded my script in my After Effects. And if I click on the show as you can see the logo of the Windows showing because I'm currently on the Windows, and the text is also changing. You can use this script for the some people's develop the script for both the Windows or the Mac users. And if the user is using the Mac, then the properties are showing according to the Mac, and if it's window, and the properties are showing according to the Windows, because in the Windows and the Mac has the many difference like file systems and also the control and or command keys. So we can use this one script for the multiple operating system by defining these few lines of codes or functionalities. And let me know in the comments if you find this class useful, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.